Hey, what's going on, guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance here. Yo, just got back to Wagner Park yesterday. Just woke up, got some breakfast. Tired, man. That 2.5 hour trip ain't no joke. But I'm back in the lab, yo. Right back in the lab. Your boy Eric, man. Eric is a beast out there with that low C in that open class. I cannot catch him, but I'm getting there though, man. Had a couple issues out there. Ran into the one of the boards. Coughed up my kill switch actually. The kill switch actually popped out of the receiver box. And then unplugged the steering and everything. But I was able to get back in there thanks to the Maryland crew. They got me back in there, got me back on the track, and got to finish actually. Did DNF, did not finish and everything. I actually got to finish, so I was happy with that. But I saw a couple things that need to be addressed, and I'm out here wrenching right now, yo. Yep, there it is, the XR5 sports car. Out here, got the engine out. I'm gonna give it a deep clean, doing a couple things to here, getting all this set up. Got a new diff going in. I'm getting rid of the locker that's here, and just doing some changes. The suspension setup was perfect, so I'm happy with how it ran there. Tire softness, hardness, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna be working on that, especially with the heat that was out there. The track temps was 131 degrees when we was running out there on the track. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna keep wrenching on this, and then you guys go check the video out, man. All right, guys, what's up, man? We out here at Wagner Park. They got a new layout. We're gonna do a little walk around here on this new layout. They even look like they even painted the rails up there. Yeah, so they painted the rails up on the driver's stand. Got some paint on the wood.
Cut some of the trees.
Yeah, they cut some of the brush back. This is nice right here. So we got. I'm assuming the first turnout will come out here. Got a nice sweeping 90. Come around. So sweep around here. Another sweep, nice wide lanes. And then we got a good 180 coming up here. Nice paint job they did out here. So we do the 180 here, get on the gas. Then we got a good little 90 coming here. Nice sweeping 90. We still should be on the gas in this area. Come around on the straight. So this is the main straight of the race. And then we got pretty much the mirror image of that over here. So at the end of the straight, we got plenty of room to turn in. Cause look how wide this lane is. This is probably a good 25, 30 feet wide right here at the end of the straight. Then we got a nice sweep. Come into a tight 180 at the end. So you'd be on the brakes right here in this area, or if you take it wide, come around, get back in, come around here, get back around another sweep. On the gas. Come around this way. Another little apex right here, turn in. On the gas, hit it wide, get on the brakes, sweep around. Then we got a little half moon, come around, and then we're back at it again. See if we can get a good picture of the whole thing from up above on the driver's stand.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does look good. It's wide, crazy wide too. Them lanes are wide as I don't know what. Yeah. Even coming down here.
So you got more, yeah.
goodness, look at all these races out here today.
All right, we're going to turn the microphone over to Joel. Joel's going to take over the mic, then I'm going to have a couple things to say after him.
All right, good morning, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for coming. As usual, you know, without participation, you know, this isn't a lot of fun. And the participation, I think we're at about 36 or 37 cars today, which is
Yeah.
More than the Indy 500.
Yeah.
So we're doing pretty good. So a couple shout outs to some of the new folks that are joining us today. We have Canis, right? Canis or Canes?
What's up, fellas?
Right? Where are you from, Canes?
Southern Maryland.
Maryland. Where's Maryland, guys?
Southern
We
Maryland.
have Reggie. Reggie, welcome. You also from Maryland, or?
Canada.
Oh,
Jamaica,
now we're
Queens.
talking. Queens.
Queens.
All right, and Alan? Where are you from, Alan? PA, Downtown. All right.
Okay. PA.
All right, and then I want to welcome back my good friend Jimmy D. He's back from hiatus, but we love him and we're glad he's doing well and he looks great. And believe it or not, we have another Carlton. We have Carlton Keys. Carlton Keys. Where are you from, Carlton?
I mean, I know it's a sad name to have, but
You're a good company.
my bad.
Where you from, Carlton?
Huh?
Where you from?
Oh, I'm from Maryland.
Yes, sir. Maryland.
Maryland, okay. All right.
We in the house. We deep.
Let me just say real quick, first of all, we got a brand new layout out here, and it's not 100% done yet. There's plenty of boards that haven't been like secured. They're just pretty much tacked in. So again, when you're out there running, just stay as far as away from the boards as you can, because you may cause more damage that needs to be fixed later. It's wide enough where you shouldn't be up on the boards anyway, but hey, shit happens sometimes, I get it. But just be mindful that the track's only tacked down in some places until we get a chance really to secure everything.
They are out here today, boy. Yo, we are deep from Maryland out here today. We probably got about 8 guys out for real. 8 guys out here from Maryland. It's an awesome thing. So, everybody's practicing. I'm getting ready to go up next. And the open class heat 1. They got multiple heats now for the classes, really. I mean, because there's a lot of cars out here now. Yeah, like you said, we had 36 cars, I think it was this time, this month. And it's steadily growing. And I want to say thank you guys for coming out and enjoying this for real, because a lot of guys that are out here are subscribers or guys that watch my channel. So I'm loving it. So come on out, man. Let's raise this up like a nitro class or something. This is awesome. I'm loving it. It's growing, and you just really can't beat it, yo. So come on out, man. All right, it's qualifiers for two-wheel drive. Qualifiers for two-wheel drive.
21 laps, check for 21 laps. Keys out early. 1 minute to go. 1 minute
A little bit of race footage. Oh, nice pass.
Ready? Jump into the bed. Walking up the bed. All right, Marcus is going to finish with 28 laps in a 10:06. Just waiting on Joe.
All right, four-wheel drive qualifier. Heat 1. There's a whole ton of cars out here. They're doing a transponder check. Four-wheel drive qualifier. Nice battle right here. Oh, nice clean pass. Alright, so we got Heat 2, four-wheel drive, baby. Four-wheel drive, Heat 2. There's so many of these cars out here, it's crazy. Four-wheel drive, qualifier, touring class. They battling out there, baby. They battling.
Seconds, I'm sorry, 1 minute 30 seconds to go. 1 minute 30 seconds.
Formula 1. Qualifier.